The Oxford Dictionary defines passion as a strong and barely uncontrollable emotion. In the entrepreneurial world, passion is the blood, and you must be a vampire that draws from it every single day. In the last session, I asked you what gets you up in the morning. Well, one thing I deliberately left out that gets me out of bed is pure, unadulterated passion. Having a passion for whatever you're doing or pursuing will drive you past any limitations set forth in your path. Let me get a little philosophical right quick. Think of passion like this. It's like a tree, and your passion is the branches on the tree. Whatever knowledge you accumulate or the values you add to your passion are the leaves. And like a tree can't survive without its branches and leaves, an entrepreneur can't survive without passion. So now that I went over the importance of passion in my little philosophical way, what in the world is your passion? Better yet, what are your passions? See, most entrepreneurs have more than one passion. Like Lay's potato chips, we bosses can't just have one passion. So, what is yours? Speaking for myself, my passion is health and fitness. Let me tell you a brief story. I was a chubby kid growing up. I always desired to have a physique the ladies love, and most importantly, be happy and healthy. I transformed my body while attending college and reached my health goal. What I didn't know is people thought I was a personal trainer, and I kept getting requests to train them. I turned down a good amount of money my broke college self needed by telling them I wasn't a trainer. And then one day in my low income college mind, I thought, let me become a personal trainer so I can start making some money. I started my first official business, Free Will Fitness, in January 2011 and started my entrepreneurial journey. In addition to being a personal trainer, I have been a ghostwriter for various ebooks and websites and have ran several e-commerce stores selling clothes, home decor, and so much more. I succeeded with some businesses. I failed in a whole lot of other businesses. But at the end of the day, I always let my passion dictate my next move. Right now, that move is curating this lovely video course for you. So again, what is your passion? You don't know. That's fine. Here are some simple questions to determine what your passions are. 1. What magazines and email newsletters you have subscribed to over the past 5 years? What type of YouTube videos do you watch on a regular basis? What social media content do you follow? What activities or hobbies makes you happy? What is something you would do free of charge? Answering these questions will get you on the right path to finding your passions. From there, you can focus on these passions and create a business out of them. But listen, I have one disclaimer before you move forward. When it comes to creating a business, focus only on realistic passions. I had a passion for basketball, but I quickly realized playing in the NBA wasn't in my cards once I reached college and witnessed real deal future pro ball players play. Playing in major pro sports like the NBA or NFL and actually having a long, successful career is like getting struck by lightning while holding the winning Powerball lottery ticket. Statistics show that roughly 853 football players, or 0.0075%, make the NFL each year out of an original population of nearly 1.1 million high school athletes. And making it an NFL squad is easier in comparison to the WNBA, NBA, MLB, and other American pro sport leagues that have fewer active roster spots. Besides, if you were actually going pro, you wouldn't be in this course. With that being said, please focus your passions on something you realistically can do right now, or at least have a high probability of doing it within 1